SmartPerform works intuitively with no special knowledge required beforehand. That's because SmartPerform picks up long-learned behaviors, activities, and interactions. If you can write something on a chalkboard, then SmartPerform will be no problem for you. In addition, long-lasting restrictions such as linear interaction and presentation styles are a thing of the past. Easy as it is, you can add, change, or correct sketches and/or notes at any time. The results will be saved and always remain available if needed. Therefore, SmartPerform makes easy use of learned behaviors, but more efficiently.